let's talk about 5 categories of digital art setup so you can find the perfect drawing tablet for you. Hey guys, it's Sebastian here from the Noble Frugal Studio. Drawing tablets come in all shapes, sizes, and types. Today we're going to go over all the common ones, their specific use cases and benefits, so you can choose 1, 2, or even maybe 3 that best fits your art style and your budget.
Level up your side hustle, exercise your mind muscle. Buckle up inside, buckle even though you might struggle. Climb aboard and take your practice to a high level. Travel on this life vessel, watching knowledge swim. When I head off on my mind, I forget about the time. Guess I'm dust up in my eyes, then get back up on the grind. All these old discoveries and goals in front of me, I'm running free into another world that I've chosen to explore. Now I'm on another echelon, the feeling is enormous. Doors are open before there weren't even options. What I find often is that I feel accomplished when all these brilliant concepts filling my noggin, ready to dust off my skills like I'm polished, going at my pace, the membership ain't clocking no. Stop watching, no race involved, just make your move and wake yourself up to make some cool stuff. So much to do, now that you're fueled up, just make a move. Even if you're too scared, you might be wrong. You can ride with Skillshare to drive it home, leveling up with cool stuff. So much to do, now that you're fueled up, just make a move. Even if you're still scared, you're bound to fall. You can ride with Skillshare to drive it home.
Follow my link in the description below to get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. So I want to explore these art setups ranging from least expensive to most expensive. First bracket is our $0 bracket, and that's use what you have. Whether this be a pencil and a sketchbook, or that be your phone and you can use your finger as a stylus, use what you have. So the next bracket is the budget bracket, around $100. And this is where you get the first type of drawing tablet, a pen tablet. Pen tablets are devices that connect to your computer and they come with a pen. Some pens like this one from Sense Labs feature buttons on top of the pen and an eraser, so you can use it much like you use a traditional sketchbook. To connect them, all you need to do is turn them on if it's a wireless pen tablet, or if not, then you can plug them into your computer with a USB cable. Wireless pen tablets will come with a dongle like so. You plug this into your computer, which I will do right now, and then they'll come up on the driver page right here. In the driver of pen tablets, you have all the settings. So basically, you draw on the surface of the tablet, but your eyes look forward at the screen. Pen tablets are really great because they're usually very affordable, much more affordable than the other tablets on this list. And they're also ergonomic. You're not going to get neck strain from looking downwards at your tablet or downwards at your sketchbook while trying to draw. The other benefit of pen tablets is that you can see the cursor on screen at all times, meaning you can track your drawing strokes without your hand and your pen getting in the way. Some professional artists actually prefer this type, which saves them money and muscle strain in the long run. This one from Galman, I believe, at the time was almost $26, super duper cheap. Comes with this pen, surface is okay, some shortcut keys. This one's pretty old, I'm sure there are new ones that are much more advanced. Or you can go on the premium side for a pen tablet. This is the pen tablet medium bundle from Sense Labs. It comes with this extremely well-built plastic drawing tablet, wireless controls, felt nibs, and plastic nibs to give you a different drawing feel. So the felt nib is definitely louder. If this is your first drawing device, my recommendation is that you spend maybe $50 on it. So stepping it up a notch, the next category is right around $300 and anything under. My main recommendation for products in this bracket are standalone drawing tablets. While pen tablets need to be connected to a computer in order to be useful, standalone drawing tablets combo a computer and a drawing tablet all in one. But the drawing experience is really, really great, especially good for those of you who like to work portably. They're nice and lightweight. They can be put in a backpack or in a laptop sleeve or a sling bag and be carried with you anywhere. Especially this Yuji one for $330. You're getting a device that can draw, animate, paint, all at the professional level for cheap money. Not to mention, you're drawing directly on the screen, which is already a step up from the pen tablet. These standalone devices also have touch controls, which makes navigating the canvas much more natural in your computer. But why not take it up a notch and add a toolbox? This is a shortcut key device that you can add to your computer or your tablet art setup. It allows you to make quick commands like undo. Not all Android drawing apps are configured to have shortcut commands inputted, but this device will take your drawing setup to the next level. You'll be able to produce art and animation at incredible speeds. What if you wanted a standalone tablet that was a bit more premium? Something you could use for freelance work or higher powered desktop applications. Well, they make those too. Here's a great example of one. This is the Link Studio S1 from Link Plus, and this is another standalone tablet, except much more powerful than an Android device. The Link Plus uses Wacom Feel technology for its pen tech. Wacom has the best pen tech in the industry. The drawing experience on here is gonna be amazing. But I hold this with the stand back here and use a screen rotating app because natively the screen does not rotate to hold this in my hand while I draw. Performs much better than any Android device. It even has the capability to run heavy desktop apps like Blender 3D. I use this Link Plus to make plenty of my videos, whether you use it for drawing on the go like I'm doing with using the stand as the handle, or getting yourself a universal stand like this PR100 from Parblo and using it as a standard tablet. And why not add in one of those shortcut keys? Except for this time, you can use any of the toolboxes. This right here is the toolbox Lite. It's their cheapest option, I believe around $89. And I think it's good enough to get you into the ecosystem because it's really the customizable shortcut key app that makes toolbox really valuable. Plugs in with a USB-C, no latency, happy animating. Although I do think this will work better for the cleanup artist, for the finishing artist, because they're smaller. You can focus more on fine details using small wrist movements. So for someone who's into dynamic sketching, you're gonna need something a little bit bigger to capture those flowy, energetic strokes. And that brings us to our next category. Coming in the $600 range are pen displays. Pen displays offer unmatched drawing quality with a screen, but the trade-off is that you need to connect them to a computer or a phone in order to function. This right here is one of my favorite budget drawing tablets, actually much cheaper than the one we just saw. This is the Artist 22 Pro from XP Pen. As you can see, I'm drawing directly onto this screen. I'm just gonna adjust my two lamps. It has to be my #1 pick for the $600 freelancer art setup range. Not only because of the drawing experience, but look at the size. You thought you could do dynamic drawing with 16 inches. Okay, that app's crackle pop. Why not try 22 inches? You can get a lot of freedom with a device this size. Highly recommend the 22-inch range, but as promised, we get a bigger drawing area for those larger sweeping brushstrokes. I really recommend these for my dynamic sketching artists out there. This here is the XP Pen Ultra 16. It connects with one USB-C cable going to the tablet. It does get extra power from the back. Go ahead and turn this thing on. Okay, I think it was in drawing tablet mode, so that's why it wasn't connecting. And that paper-like sensation that you don't get with a lot of standalone tablets. And of course, they include the screen so you can draw directly onto your brushstrokes instead of drawing on the tablet and looking at the screen. That does pose an ergonomic issue. There are two possible solutions. One is you could get a chair that helps you lean forward and supports your chest and your chin while you draw, so your neck muscles don't get tired and your back muscles don't get tired. The other option is to use this tablet half and half. You can configure these tablets to work just like a pen tablet. I can go into work area settings and I can change the monitor that this tablet is controlling. I can select the monitor above me, making this a very nice, somewhat expensive pen tablet. So the final price point we want to explore are drawing devices over $1,000. This is the professional bracket, separated by something you may not expect. They mainly differ in their features when it comes to color accuracy. You can use these devices to make color accurate work. Here is the PD16 from Sense Labs, their Studio Series pen displays. This tablet doesn't have touch features like the Artist Ultra 16 before, which is actually cheaper, but it is extremely lightweight. This is your portable digital sketchbook. You can get it bundled with their Sense Labs shortcut key remote. It also comes with two of their V2 pens, the same buttons as the V1s, and pen clips. Where do you put these? This tablet is a very niche product. You'd be using this with a laptop in your bag or a mini PC. When it comes to the weight of this tablet and the quality of the drawing experience, this is pretty elite. It walks the walk and talks the talk out of a professional tablet with the 4K resolution and the color accuracy, as well as the lightweight professional drawing feel. And the last tablet I have, the best tablet on this entire list, as well as my #1 recommendation for 2026, is the Huion Canvas Pro 24 Gen 3. This tablet has touch features, it has a paper-like drawing experience, 24 inches, 4K panel, as well as extremely good color accuracy. Huion also updated their drivers. They work really, really well now. Which one of these drawing tablets would I use in my personal setup? It would be two. The Huion Canvas Pro 24 Gen 3 for broad dynamic sketching. When I'm studying movement and making motion profiles, this is my go-to device. My second pick would be the Link Studio S1. This tablet is perfect for performing the much longer, more tedious aspects of animation, such as cleanup and final lines. Thank you all for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave me a like. All of my equipment will be listed with the links in the description below. Be sure to check those out. That's all from me, guys. Peace.